Ever wondered how Snowflake handles massive data so efficiently? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly what makes Snowflake different from every other database out there. When I started exploring Snowflake architecture, I discovered something really interesting. Most databases bundle everything together in one single system, but Snowflake was built from the ground up with a completely different philosophy. Unlike traditional databases, Snowflake separates storage, compute, and cloud services into three completely independent layers. And once I understood this separation, it completely changed how I think about data architecture. Let's break it down quickly. Layer 1. Storage. Storage is where your data is stored securely. In Snowflake, your data lives in the cloud, on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It is stored in a columnar format that is highly compressed and optimized for analytics. The critical thing here is that this storage layer is completely separate from everything else. You only pay for the storage you actually use. Layer 2. Compute. Compute, also known as virtual warehouses, is where the data gets processed. This is where Snowflake gets really powerful. Virtual warehouses are independent clusters of computing resources. You can run multiple virtual warehouses at the same time, each handling a completely different workload. A data science team can run complex machine learning models while a reporting team runs their dashboards at the same time, with absolutely zero slowdown between them. Layer 3. Cloud services. And cloud services manage everything: queries, security, and optimization. Think of this as the intelligent brain of Snowflake. It handles authentication, access control, metadata management, and automatic query optimization. All of this happens seamlessly in the background without you doing anything manually. Now here is the powerful part. Because these layers are separate, Snowflake can scale compute independently without affecting storage. Here's what that looks like in real life. You have a massive analytics job that needs a lot of processing power. You simply spin up a larger virtual warehouse, run your job, then shut it down when you're done. Your data in storage is never touched. You only pay for the compute you actually used. That's a game changer. This makes it faster, more scalable, and cost-efficient. No more resource contention between teams. No more paying for idle infrastructure. No more performance bottlenecks slowing your entire organization down. That's why Snowflake is becoming a key tool in modern data engineering. Companies across banking, healthcare, retail, and technology are all choosing Snowflake as their core data platform. If you are building a career in data engineering, understanding Snowflake architecture is one of the most valuable skills you can have right now. Are you learning Snowflake too? Follow for more data engineering content.